Today is Wellness Wednesday, and the topic is your metabolism really slowing? Welcome to the Daily Spoonful, the Primal Professor. Age is just a number, but your metabolism, it's everything. Yes, your metabolism can change, but it's not your age that's doing it. It's your muscle mass, your insulin levels, and how much you're spiking your glucose. Studies show that even in your 60s or 70s, you can regain metabolic function by walking after meals, eating more protein, and reducing processed carbs. And what do we mean? You can regain metabolic function? Well, you can reverse prediabetes and even reverse or put into remission type 2 diabetes. I mentioned him before in several videos on my channel. My friend Norm was 101.5 when he died. He was very inspirational to me. And he was a double engineer and very process oriented. He came down the steps and there was a chair right on the edge of the living room where he had two 15-pound dumbbells, and he exercised first thing in the morning every day with those dumbbells. And he took a 45-minute walk every day. He was able to walk independently except for the last 2 days of his life. He was very inspirational. So it's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Today's nugget: walk for 10 minutes after one meal today. It's one of the most powerful and overlooked metabolic tools. Your body isn't broken. It just hasn't been given the right input. So think about your metabolism like a campfire. It dims when there's not enough fuel or oxygen. Well, you don't fix that fire by starving it, right? So you fix it by giving it the right materials. So let's apply that to our own body. We need movement, we need muscle, and we have to eat meals that don't spike insulin. That's how we build the sustainable flame instead of being a flash in the pan. So here's the strategy for this video. Try this. Take a 10-minute walk after one of your meals today. If you already are walking 30 minutes a day, think about, and you eat 3 meals a day, you can think about breaking that up into a 10-minute walk after each meal. It helps to lower blood sugar and boosts fat burning. Let's fan the flames of a better metabolism starting right now. You've got this. I'll see you tomorrow.